In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or reset chat on poly.ai. So you first have to open up the poly.ai app and then of course log into your account or sign up if you don't have one, and then you want to open up your chats. Now to get to your chats, in the bottom menu there's the second icon which looks like kind of a chat bubble, okay? So to the left of the plus, click that and you swap the chats. In here you want to go inside your chat and you can either delete the entire chat or reset the chat or delete specific messages. Now to delete specific messages, you can either click that icon in the bottom right, and then you can click delete, and you'll be able to select which messages you would like to delete. Just be cautious though, because whenever you delete a message, all the messages below that message will be automatically deleted, and you can only delete your replies to the chat. However, whenever you delete your reply, the reply of the character or the bot will also be deleted. And you can see that by that little kind of red line appearing to the left of character's message. As you can see, it appears down below. Now, what I also wanted to say is that there's another way of you being able to do this. And you can, as well as I said, you can press over here, so to the message and click delete, or you can just kind of highlight or tap and hold your message, so hold in your message and click delete messages, and you can yet again press delete. As you can see, it was deleted. There's also a way to restart the chat or to reset the chat, which is again by clicking that icon in the bottom right, and you can press restart, which is the first option, and you simply want to press new chat. But for this, you have to have something written in your chat. So as you can see, I'll click that again, restart, new chat, and as you can see, the chat has been completely reset. But if you want to completely delete the chat from your chats list, so you don't want to see your chat anymore, what you can do is simply hold in your chat, and as you can see, there's an option to hide it or to delete it. And if you click delete, and then press delete yet again, as you can see, it says all chat records and related information will be discarded after deletion. Click delete, and that's it. You've successfully deleted your chat. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.